Sa pagpatak ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto, hindi ng puso ikaw ang pinangarap-ngarap ko. Simula ng matanto na balang araw iibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinihintay. Puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Humihinto sa bawat oras ng tagpo ang pag-ikot ng mundo. Umingiti ng kusa aking puso pagkat nasagot na ang tanong. Nag-aalala noon kung may magmamahal sa akin ng tunay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay nalumbay na kahit tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. At hindi pa ako umibig ng langit. Nasa isip makasama ka habang buhay. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay nalumbay na kahit tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Ang pag-ibig na hinintay. Puso ay nalumbay ng kahit tagal, ngunit ngayon nandito na ikaw. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Pag-ibig ko'y ikaw.
Mark Francis Reyes! Great performance!
Hi, Mark!
Alam mo, kung nakapikit ako, akalain ko yung boses
Oo
galing
nga
sa babae
di ba?
talaga.
Medyo yeng na yeng talaga. Alright, dito tayo ngayon sa ating mga judges and let's hear their comments para sa iyong awitin, Sir Junji.
Ikaw yung perfect na, kung magkakaroon ako ng production house, ikaw yung perfect na singer na in-house. Kasi hanip ang spot on, ang pitch accuracy mo, ang tones mo, napaka-mature for your age. You can shift from one style to the other. Definitely will make a very good session singer. I'm not putting you in such a category, but I'm actually putting you in a high-level category of a singer. And whatever happens, alam mo, you will go places. Feeling ko hindi lang sa Pilipinas eh. Feeling ko magta-transcend din to sa international arena. So I want to encourage you, keep on singing. And I'm very glad you sang that song because that redeemed you from the first number that you did. Good job,
Thank you,
good
sir.
job.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you, Sir
Junji.
Junji. Sir Vic?
Bumawi ka dito, Mark. Siguro dapat ganito yung mga songs na pinipili mo for ganitong klaseng competition because ito na, parang lumalabas yung natural quality ng boses mo. Damang-dama ko yung emotion, lalo na dun sa modulation part. Nung tumaas na siya ng half note, ang ganda. At ang ganda ng delivery mo nung time na yan. Very good. Dun pa lang, goodness sa akin yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Vic. Kian?
Yun yung sinasabi namin na piyesa na bagay sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Na yun yung ina-expect namin kanina nung una mong performance na yun nga, hindi mo nandyan ka lang the whole time. Gumaganyan ka lang. Pero bigay na bigay ka na, wala ka nang kailangang gawin pa. Alam mo yun? And yung boses mo kasi honestly, Mark, yun yung nagdadala naman sa'yo eh. Sa'yo mismo eh. Kasi ang ganda ng boses mo, ang linis ng boses mo, ang pulido ng boses mo. Kulang na, hinihintay ko na nga lang lalabas yung bride eh. Kasama yung tatay, tas ano yun. Kasi ang ganda eh, ang serene nung pinakita mong performance. Definitely, totoo, nabawi niya yung performance mo kanina. So, good job, just keep it up. Always go for the songs that you like personally and with the songs that you think na mapapanindigan mo ng solid. More than anything else. More than, kailangan ko mag-perform dito o ganito. I mean, don't impress, just express, you know. So, there you go. Good job.
Very nice. Thank you, Kian. And Sir Andre.
One thing that you should remember that it's a very powerful strength is your voice is so clear. So I think not every singer is gifted that way. So make sure that you improve on that and push it forward and find songs that will, showcase yung clarity ng boses mo. Kasi magaling kang kumanta, malakas ang power ng boses mo. So, find pieces that work and showcase that. Kasi, again, parang misstep yung first performance kanina because of song choice. I think this was right up your alley. And I think na-enjoy ng lahat yung ginawa mo today. So, I think there has to be some kind of, research, guidance as far as making your song selection because sayang yung pagkakataon. But I think, just like Junji said, I think you redeemed yourself perfectly this time around. So, good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Sir
you.
Andre. Thank you to all our judges. Good
Thank
luck
you,
to
Mark.
you.
Good luck.
Marca Francis Reyes. Ngayon naman, our last finalist for today. Siyempre sila ay kakanta ng isang classic from Eraserheads. This one is Alapaap. And let's all give it up for OTM.
sa dulo ng mundo.
Hanggang maubos ang ubo.
Hanggang gumulong ang luha. Hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata. Di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon'y lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama?
Di mo na kailangan ng pagkagot mahiya.
Di mo na kailangan pang humanap ng iba. Kalimutan lang muna ang lahat ng problema. Huminga ka ng malalim at tayo'y lalagana. Handa ka na ba gumala? Ang daming bawal sa mundo. Ang daming bawal sa mundo. Sinasakal nila tayo. Sinasakal nila tayo.
Buksan ang puso at isipan.
Buksan ang puso at isipan. Palikarin ang kamalayan. Masdan mo
Masdan mo ang aking mata.
Di mo ba nakikita? Ako'y lumilipad at nasa alapaap na. Gusto mo ba? 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 Gusto mo Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Sumama.
Give it up for
Alright.
OTM!
Ano, Chino? Sama ba tayo?
Solid.
Let's go, OTM!
Gustong-gusto kong sumama, guys.
Sumama. Join us, please. Kayo naman ang sumama sa amin
Yep.
para marinig na natin ang comments ng judges for your Alapa performance.
Kanina, we started off with Sir Junjing, and we're gonna start off with Sir Andre. Or Sir Junji, whoever
Oh,
wants to go
sige.
first.
Alright. Ito, definitely, mas maganda na yung tinginan nyo. Yan, maganda na yung tinginan. Hindi ko lang narinig masyadong violin. Siguro nga, hindi ulit umangat. Naririnig lang yung mga bottom tones. Pero yung high tones, I was hoping marinig ko siya. But hindi ko i-judge according to that. Kasi technical difficulty yon. I am glad you chose this song kasi na-relax kayo. So, kanina parang ang tight eh. Suddenly now, parang, they're having fun. So, I want to see OTM doing really fun songs. Doon kami na-endear sa inyo, doon sa last time eh. So, less tension this time on us. Wala na kami parang ganon. Medyo, may ganon lang ako ng konti because of the mix. Suggestion ko lang doon sa last note, yung naka-harmonize sa tatlo. Pwedeng siguro isa muna, tapos pasok. Isa, ta, ta, ta. So, tsaka yun lang, for arrangement purposes lang. Nakialam sa areglo. Bawal eh. Bawal makialam. Pero you really did a better job than the first one. Very, very good.
Thank you very much, Sir Junji. Let's now move on to Sir Vic.
Mas gusto ko tong performance na to kesa dun sa nauna. Gustong-gusto ko yung areglo para akong nasa Alapap. Yung bang ang cool ng dating sa akin. Napaka-relaxing, parang ganun. Isang question lang sa akin, parang kailangan ba talagang equally divided ang lead vocals? Baka pwede namang dun sa mas stronger na boses ibigay yung mga kailangan ibigay. Isang tip lang yun sa grupo na hindi necessarily equally divided ang hatian ng lead vocals. Very good.
Thank you, Sir Vic.
Yan. Tama.
Kian?
Oy, teka muna. Hindi, ganda ng pangalan ng banda yun, nakuha ko. Pero tama yung sabi ni Sir Vic na parang dahil nga feeling namin equally divided yung song sa tatlong tao, na parang anong nangyayari tuloy sa amin, honestly, nagiging predictable. Kakanta siya. Biglang papasok yung lalaki, tapos kakanta siya ng part na to, and then sa gitara na tapos mag-upbeat na. Parang, definitely, ang loose nyo this time sa performance nyo na to. Palakpakan naman natin yung OTM mo. Ang laking difference mula dun sa performance nyo kanina sa ngayon na you guys are just having fun, alam mo, letting it loose. Pero yun nga lang, parang siguro next, kasi maganda yung material eh. Alapaap eh, di ba? And yung song mismo is very much inviting. Sinasabi na, tara, sama ka, punta Alapaap, di ba? Parang ganon eh. Siguro, yun nga, dahil nga equally divided, naging predictable sa amin yung areglo nung kanta. To think na you guys are such great musicians, you know that? I mean, parang nagkakaho, nagcha-chime, sige gitarang babae, nagva-violin ng lalaki. That, you have a very interesting group, I must say. Yun nga lang talaga, siguro, do something outside of the box. Do something that will scare you. Do something na parang, okay ba ito? Magugustuhan ba nila ito? O hindi? Kung hindi, okay lang. Next time. Pero kung, alam mo yun, yung parang, yung risk lang na, yun yung crunch na hinahanap ko lang. Pero, definitely nag-enjoy kayo sa performance at marami kayo napasayang tao ngayon. Kaya, congratulations, you guys.
Thank you very much, Kian. And now on to Sir Andre.
Okay. Personally, I think this is a better performance than earlier. I hope you listened to what we said because I saw it. So I don't know if it just happened because of the song selection. But to me, you have to be able to identify who's gonna take the lead at certain parts of the song. Hindi pwedeng lahat sabay-sabay, same level, same energy. So I think that will show how cohesive you are as a group, that you know how to take turns. Second, I think we missed the violin because I think that spelled the difference during the semifinals. That was a very big plus on your part because parang yung acoustic group, we see that practically everywhere. So I think we wanted to see that. That could have been your out of the box. Okay? So more than thinking of it as a dagdag, it should be an element as part of your group and your performance. Sayang naman, if you're already gifted at doing it, might as well use it. So again, good job, guys.
Thank you very much, judges. Thank you, Sir Andre. And thank you to ODM. Good luck to you guys.
Good luck, of course, to all our finalists. Once again, palakpakan natin ang lahat ng ating finalists for Mosimo Music Summit 2015.
Of course, it's really going to be tough for all our judges.
And I know, nako kaya na as early as now, gusto na talaga natin i-congratulate ang lahat ng ating mga finalists kasi you guys just making it here to the finals of the Mosimo Music Summit, I think is really good enough.
Oo naman, Chino, diba? To perform right here at the very huge stage of Mosimo Music Summit. And of course, we're pretty sure that after this event, win or lose, a lot of opportunities will be opening for them.
That is right, KA. And while we're waiting for the results, because I'm sure medyo nahihirapan pa ang ating mga judges to really come up with our winner for tonight, it's time once again to have a look at another one of Mossimo's stylish collections.
As a global brand, Mossimo is always at the forefront when it comes to the latest trend in cool, casual clothing.
Together with one of the country's fastest rising bands, Red Letters, fronted by our musical director Chester Elmeda and dance group Rizal Underground, let's clear the catwalk for the Mossimo Model Discoveries wearing the holiday collection.
I just want to dedicate all this song to all the dreamers we have in here in this place. Do you have all dreamers here? All right, this is all for you guys. To all these lies she has seen, all the meanest side of me. You took away the prophet's dream for a prophet on the street. Now she's stronger than before. A heart of steel starts to grow. All his life has been told, he'll be nothing when he's old. All the kicks and all the blows, he will never let it show. Now she's stronger than before. A heart of steel starts to grow. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been struggling to make things right. It's how a superhero learns to fly. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been working every day and night. It's how a superhero learns to fly. Yeah. All the tears that they cry in their eyes, you see fire in their eyes. Now she's stronger than before. A heart steel starts to grow. When you've been fighting for it all your life, you've been praying every day and night. It's how a superhero learns to fly. Yeah. Every hour to the pain, it's a power for it all your life. You've been working every day and night. He will learn to fly. Every day, every hour, take a pain into power. Oh yeah, learn to fly. Every day, every hour, take a pain into power. Learn to fly. Yeah. Every day, every hour, take a pain into power. In the heart, fire in the soul. He's got a beast in his belly that's so hard to control. Cause he's taking too much shit, taking blow for blow. Now invite him up, stand up, watch him explode. Light in the heart, fire in the soul. He's got a beast in his belly that's so hard to control. Cause he's taking too much shit, taking blow for blow. Now invite him up, stand up, watch him explode, explode. Yeah, you gotta lift it up. You've been fighting for it all your life. You've been struggling to make it right. It's how a superhero learns to fly. Every hour to the pain, the power for it all your life. You've been working every day and night. It's how a superhero learns to fly. Yeah, oh, learn to fly. Come on, sing with me, sing, learn to fly. Oh, learn to fly. So everybody, say it now. Learn to fly. Oh, learn to fly. Every day, every hour, to Oh, learn to fly. Yeah, yeah. You'll be fighting for it all your life. You'll be struggling to make things right. So I'm a superhero learns to fly. Every hour to the pain. You've been fighting for it all your life. You've been working every day and night. So I'm a superhero learns to fly. Every hour to the pain. Oh, learn to fly. Learn to fly. Every day, every hour to the pain. It's a power. Learn to fly. Oh, learn to fly. Every day, can you help us out? Hour to the pain. It's a power. Oh, learn to fly. Whoa, learn to fly. Every day, every hour to the pain. It's a power. Learn to fly. So you've been fighting for it all your life. You've been struggling to make things right. So a superhero learns to fly. You've been struggling for it all your life. You've been working every day and night. So a superhero learns to fly. You've been fighting for it all your life. You've been working every day and night. So a superhero learn to fly, guys.
All right, thank you very much, Red Letters.
And of course, thank you also to all our models you've just seen. Mossimo's Holiday Collection.
Alam mo, the models really looked amazing with their Mossimo outfits. Maybe next time pwede tayong sumama sa
Talaga, Gino.
runway.
Pwede ba? Pwede ba yun? Not
Pwede
gonna
yan.
happen. Dito na lang tayo. May sarili naman tayong ramp moments every time we come out on stage.
Yeah, but I believe at this point, KA, we have a surprise segment coming up.
Oo naman, tama ka dyan, Chino. A couple of weeks ago, right after our second semifinals, di ba sinabi natin na meron tayong mga special performances, special awards for our semifinalists. And of course, we already uploaded the performances of all our 20 semifinalists online. And we are overwhelmed na ang dami talagang nag-like and nag-share ng mga videos nila.
That is right. Talaga namang ang dami rin nag-view ng ating mga videos that we uploaded online. So we want to thank everyone for supporting Mossimo Music Summit 2015. Kaya naman, we are going to hand out 2 special awards. One for the semifinalist whose performance video garnered the most number of views on YouTube.
Tama ka dyan, Chino. And yung isa naman na award, it's one for the performance with the most number of shares online. So after posting it on our Mossimo Music Summit Facebook page, our winner for this award was drawn and random from those who shared that particular post.
That
so,
is right.
hindi lang yung semifinalist ang pwede manalo ng prize, pati yung mga nag-share.
That is absolutely correct. And meron tayong mga iimbitahan on stage. Kaya
Yes, of course. And here to present the award is Mossimo VP for Business Development. Kindly join us on stage, Mr. Adamson Bactat. A round of applause, please. And our
Eto.
VP for Sales Operations.
That is right. And of course, the winner will receive 5,000 pesos in cash.
Mr.
plus
Renego. Let's
5,000 pesos of gift certificates now.
So again, let's call in Chino, the VP for Sales and Operations, Mr. Renego, to join us on stage as well.
Hi. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Alright, so again,
Well,
Chino,
good
no,
good
ano bang
evening na pala.
marireceive nila?
Once again, 5,000 pesos in cash and 5,000 pesos worth of gift